اور اس زمانے میں ایک یہ بھی ہوتا تھا کہ I don't know how the other writers did it, but حسینہ پکڑ تھا کہ the directors used to lock her in the room and say, we need that the script, you're not coming out of the room just like you don't give us the next script for the next episode. I mean, you know, so she would be locked in because we would start with 2 episodes would go and air and 1 in reserve, and then the 3rd would be written. So she would sort of also understand the actor who was playing those roles and the way the story was going and build with it. Hasina never gave a 13 episode complete ek pura package. Never. It was always likh rahi thi. I used to always say कि ये क्या आप उल्टी डायरी चला रही होती. She used to be given these, she had all these diaries, you know, which people used to give. उस जमाने में डायरीज का कैलेंडर्स का बड़ा फैशन होता था. और उर्दू क्योंकि अब अंग्रेजी की डायरी है तो इधर से नहीं लिखती थी, she would start from the back. So she was writing every episode. अब एक चल रहा है ना और एक अब वो लिख रही है. So this is how she did it. And that was, I think, and she refused to do it कि भाई मैं पूरा 13 लिख के दे दूंगी. No. And I think the secret recipe was this with her, that she could, as we went along, we were like a group of gypsies, you know, we all lived together and we ate together. We were like 20 out of 24 hours, we were like 18 hours we were together. So she would understand the actor or uska potential and how that this actor was taking that character and grow with it and write like that, write for that character to grow into a story. And it's so strange. I mean, how can you do this? It's not easy. Kaun karta hai aise? And not even once she would go off. So she was not only just very, very close to the actors and directors, but also the public. कि उनका जो है response क्या हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है.
I have a question. Because I'm just blown away by this. जो आपने बताया कि तेरा जो वो episodes थे वो साथ-साथ लिखती थी. Did she have the ending and the whole plot ready in her mind, and it was just or was she making it up as she went along? Do you know this?
She never had the ending in mind. She had a sort of vague thing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Like, for example, there was a tremendous, you have no idea what the pressure was on the writer, I guess. For the last ending scene, who does Sana Murad go off with? Does she go off with Javed or does she go off with Shakil? I mean, you know, there was a huge pressure. The country literally got divided in 2. Pressure was so much, unbelievable pressure. हमारे पे नहीं था, राइटर पे था. And I remember कि वो बहस हो रही होती थी बैठ के सीना के साथ कि वो शोएब भी और क्या कहते हैं मोहसिन साहब कि ये क्या मेरा मतलब है आपने, and this went on and on and on. And I don't know, something in her heart said, hey, no, I'm going to go with this. You couldn't tell her what to do, okay?